Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.2.7 and we are going to delete a user. So Terry Haslam, this alarm was dismissed from the organization. His colleagues have harvested the files they need from his home directory and other directories. Your company's security policy states that upon dismissal, user accounts should be removed in their entirety. So in this lab, your task is to remove the SLAM user account and home directory from the system, and also view the /etc/password file and /home directory to verify the account removal. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So let us go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we just wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get insiders one-on-one perks on how to solve any of the test out lab. So we're still waiting for the video to load. So we'll go ahead and open terminal, and then you type in user del space dash arrow space the slam okay, no problem, I'm just gonna okay, so you press enter, and then you type in CAT and then you press enter. Okay, alright, so you type in ls space /h home and you press enter, and let's see, we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you also want to consider sharing the video in other educational platforms, Facebook and Twitter and TikTok and Instagram, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.